Hi, good people. Um, I want to show us in this video how to add WhatsApp business on your Facebook business page. So the first thing you have to do is go to your Facebook page, or you can move from your Facebook page to your profile for easier knowledge. So this is my Facebook profile now. You go from your Facebook profile, go to your page. Select the page you want to add your WhatsApp business. So you have to select the page you want to add your WhatsApp business. So know that if you want to run ads and receive TMs from your leads or prospects into your WhatsApp business, this is the only method. You have to add your WhatsApp business for Facebook to recognize it and allow you access to it when you want to run ads to your WhatsApp business. So this is the page I want to use for today's training, the Forever Digitals. So it will show me switch because I'm an admin to this page. So I manage this page. So I will switch over now from my Facebook profile to my Facebook page. So the next thing I will do is that I will click on this icon here. I will click on this icon. I will click on this icon. I will click on this icon. So I will click on it. I will click on it. So once I click on the icon, next thing is professional dashboards. So I click on professional dashboards. So once I click on professional dashboards, the next thing you have to do is just scroll down. So where am I? This upper ones, we go to tools. So we go to tools, click on tools. What we do now is go to linked accounts. So you have to go to linked accounts. That's where we'll be able to link WhatsApp business, but not normal WhatsApp business. You can equally link your Instagram business page here, but that is the case for another day. So our major concern today is WhatsApp. You can see here, WhatsApp not connected. So I'm going to connect it here now. Click on WhatsApp. Fine and good. So I'm going to, my phone number is here. So let me start afresh for us to understand. So 073019755. So you have to remove the 40. So I will click on send code. WhatsApp will send, Facebook will send the verification code. A 6-digit OTP, one-time password to verify. So click on send code on WhatsApp. Fine and good. Let's just go on the WhatsApp. And check. Boom. So the code has landed. 57997 57997 57997. So 57997. It's checking on it. So this is the way to add your account connected. Now people can message you directly on WhatsApp from this Facebook page. You can change this page. You can change this in setting. After this, you click on done. So not now. Leave this prompt. Not now. Add WhatsApp button to your page. This makes it easier for people to send you a message directly on WhatsApp. So This WhatsApp now is going to appear on my page header. So one WhatsApp business has been added. So if we go back, you can see that there is a WhatsApp connection here. Let's see. Get WhatsApp messages. You can see that people can send me DM on my WhatsApp. When they go to this page, I can equally add it when running Facebook ads. This particular WhatsApp now, people can message me on it. So that is how to add WhatsApp business, to link it up on your Facebook business page. You can see it here. If I'm running ad on this page now, I can direct my traffic on it. Thank you. Please like this page, like the YouTube channel, subscribe, like it, and if you are looking for digital advertising expert, kindly contact me. Thank you.